Show is Grace Gimo and Marshall Machazane, the Harare City skipper, leading Harare City in yellow and blue shorts. So we're bracing up for kickoff here at the Baobab Stadium. Why were the games brought to Baobab Stadium? Because initially the plan by the and that's the first 11 for Yadah. Panashe Nyabunga is the goalkeeper. Bright Chayambuka, Fortune Binzi, Lennox Mcheto, Brian Kadamanje, Tinotenda Muchikambizi, Vincent Sango, Isa Sadiki, Godfrey Mukambi, Tanaka Shandiro, and Kosi Mutlanga, the first 11. And yeah, some very able replacements on the bench, like God knows Mangani was the skipper of the side. Prosper Kafela Panjiba also there, but today starting from the bench. Now going on to Harare City. Well, Prosper Chigumba in goal, Ben Musaka, Jkomborero Biseki, Innocent Zambezi, Hastings Chapusha, Tatenda Tavengo, Marshall Machaza, Jerry Chipangura, Dino Linma. Both teams still trying to size each other up. Only 3 minutes gone. Still goalless between these two Harare teams. A shot comes through. From Tanaka Shandirwa. Chance for Yadah. And Kudakwasha Mangami took it a bit prematurely. And in the end, just spurning that opportunity that it come their way. Karamanja finds Shandirwa. And Masukuta does well to win possession back for City. Masukuta, he'll try. Finals of the Chibuku Super Cup. Rupia looks up and across comes. And it's a goal! William Manondo opening the scoring therefore. Manondo, after 32 minutes, Rupia did well. So this is how it came. Rupia with a cross and Manondo unmarked inside the 6-yard box. Shandirwa. Yadah now looking for an opening of the O. On that far side, a chance there! Oh, it is a goal! 44 minutes gone, and it's Yadah 1. Harare. Mangami picked his spot. Prosper got a hand to it, but it failed to prevent it from going past the goal line. It was Shandirwa with an assist, and the goalkeeper instead of shooting. Clive Rupia, he's been all over. So I was talking about earlier on action that we witnessed as the Rangers and Caps United played out to a 1-0 draw. Yesterday there was another game from Group 1. As Damos were comfortable 2-0 winners over ZPC Kariba. Shot counts! And it's a goal! Clive Rupia! Oh my goodness! We were not expecting that. They were not expecting Chibuku Super Cup tournament, but at 3 intervals. So if you like, you can change all 5 players at the same time, or you can do it on 3 different intervals. A chance! Jerry Chibuku and William Manondo, it's a goal! William Manondo gets his brace. And it's Yadah 1, Harare City 3. For Harare City. This is how it came. Chibuku onto Manondo. So Chibuku could have really been selfish and picked his spot, but he passed on to William Manondo. And it was time for